gonna blow your mind. So stick around to the end because I'm gonna upload this video from the beginning where I started. Today we are riding on a boda guys, and it's so much fun. So kindly, as always, I want to say thank you for the much love you've shown me, the subscribers, likes, comments. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and in this life, we all get that urge to just unwind and be with nature. On this Friday afternoon, my restless heart was longing for an adventure, so I hopped on a motorbike and off I went. The road shimmered in the heat. Dapple sun shone through the trees, creating mysterious shadows. The blue sky was dotted with fluffy white clouds that drifted lazily in the gentle breeze. As we left the tarmac road and off to the dirt road, my heart was overwhelmed with both joy and excitement. Lying in plain sight ahead of me was the Kenyan Great Rift Valley. It wasn't just the sights that pleased the senses. The sounds, smells, and tastes were out of this world. My whole body had goosebumps. My skin was tingly, my heart was thumping, and my eyes opened. From a distance, I could see the peak of Mount Margaret. It was paradise. This was a free environment without gates or charges, just a free wild world to roam, make precious memories, great hikes, and connect with Mother Nature. This beautiful valley was steep, rough, and tough to scale around. The vastness of this valley was bigger than what my eyes could see. But that didn't stop me from spotting the Longonot crater, Susua, and Mount Margaret craters. It was a panorama view of life, too beautiful to comprehend. I saw a rock over there, a thorny plant over there. Everything looked new and fresh, fresher than how it was when I was last here. The experience was all new, from the landscape which seemed to be changing with every new day. The sun shone brightly to the grazing patterns along these beautiful ranges. From a distance, I could spot young Maasai men who were busy tending to their cattle. Their colorful Maasai lassos made them visible from a distance. It was so windy, which caused perfect little sandstorms down the valley. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this video as much as I did. You already know I am a nature junkie, and this is the Kenyan Great Rift Valley. It's one of the most beautiful places in Kenya where you'll get to see nature in its raw form. So guys, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Join the community if you've not subscribed yet. In the valley, I found a creek which flowed over a succession of beautiful, monstrous grey rocks. I was interested. I took my shoes off and felt the warm stones with my bare feet. It made me feel closer to nature. There was enough rocks there to build a house, I thought to myself as I worked my way across a jumble of these grey rocks. was almost dusk. The sun was sinking to the west. I stretched my hand out and reached for the sun. I took a deep breath in both content and relief, ready to go back home and relive the day I had. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Remember to stay safe, make good choices, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I love you all. Mwah.